one.
Yeah.
As if we're doing 2 of these today.
I don't know. Well, we have other opportunities. Why would we do more than one take? We always do it live. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't see you doing that. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Banter has started.
I lost it. Down. Wait, once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I really like that version though. That's I absolutely missed it. It's continue with clapping. Right. Welcome. Okay. Awesome. That this is take 2, take 7. Okay. Welcome everybody to the very first. Aren't you lucky? To the very first pre-recorded lunchtime.
So we're not, we're not going to pretend like it's actually Friday.
Take 3.
Yeah, okay.
Take 3.
Let's start over.
Let's start over. No, okay, so welcome to the first pre-recorded, which no, we're not pretending is live, concert. So we're going to pretend that you guys are texting, so I'm like, oh, Lynn's just said this, and oh, she's drinking gin, and, you know, Sharon's just said this, and Joel's coming to do dancing for no reason. Wait, what?
For a reason, always the same reason. To set up your mic.
So, welcome everybody. Thank you for joining. I don't have to keep saying the normal spiel of people joining YouTube because y'all are on YouTube. Thank you for joining. Remember,
To say the donations.
I still need to say donations and like and subscribe as always. It really helps us out a lot. It helps the algorithm. Lots of love for anybody who does it. And y'all are free to chat in the chat with each other while you're watching this. So make it like a viewing party. We will watch, absolutely. So we'll also be there. That would be Inception. Yeah, so we're going to also be in the chat, I guess, but not live. Oh, this is such a...
Oh, I have a great idea, man.
Okay, good.
Oh my god, so many possibilities.
Can you come and be excited on camera?
Go. So, my idea is just, listen to this. We watch it like 5 minutes before you.
5 minutes?
Minutes. 5 minutes before you. So we're just chatting with you like before it's happening.
Yeah.
Like it's real, like it's live.
Yeah. Oh, that's a very good idea.
That is, this is quite a length to go to just
Yeah.
for believability.
Yeah. Or we can like I can tell a joke. For instance, I can write a joke and then I can laugh at my own joke. Okay, I will do it at some time. Then I have like a weekend after.
Oh, it could be like you tell the joke now. Now I mean on the video.
Yeah.
And then you go there on the chat and say, "Hey, you could tell this joke." And then
Oh my lord.
ciao.
Yeah. Oh, good idea. Okay. Yeah. You do your musical thing. We're going to do amazing things.
So thank you everybody.
Welcome to the
Thank you everybody for Martijn. Thank you everybody for joining. There will probably be a lot more tomfoolery than normal weeks because this is going to be fun. So enjoy it with us. Grammar is hard. Even when we're not live, I can't. Anyway, we're going to start with 2 songs. Quand le soleil dit bonjour en montagne, with a bit of a better French accent than how I just said it, and Dancing on the Waves, my own song. And Joao is balleting onto the...
No, today's not ballet. Today's
No, today is...
urban dancing. Oh my god. Awesome.
Am I crumping yet?
Looks like. Nice.
Joao... Just here breaking everything, including himself.
I'm not drunk. This is what drunk people say.
Oh, wait, zou je deze even kunnen vullen, alsjeblieft? Merci, kus. Okay, right, so we do have some serious songs tonight. Whew. Energy is going to be hard and concentration when we're not live. So, whew. Quand le soleil dit bonjour aux montagnes et que la nuit rencontre le jour, je suis seul avec mes rêves sur la montagne. Une voix me rappelle toujours. Je cours de ma porte la chanson du vent rappelle les souvenirs de toi. Quand le soleil dit bonjour aux montagnes, je suis seul, je ne veux penser qu'à toi. Je suis seul, je ne veux penser qu'à toi. Let's sing in English while we dance a while. I never understand what they're singing about. just for this moment, you and I can smile, singing a melody we know, dancing on the waves. We'll keep dancing on the waves, lost completely in the heart's embrace, dancing on the waves. We'll keep dancing on the waves. The sunset will paint us gold while we dance away. And in the morning, if I'm ever down, I know the evening time will be better again. Taking these steps, being with you, singing this melody we know, dancing on the waves. We'll keep dancing on the waves, lost completely in our heart's embrace, dancing on the waves. We'll keep dancing on the waves. The sunset will paint us gold while we dance away. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves, lost completely in the heart's embrace, dancing on the waves. We'll keep dancing on the waves. The sunset will paint us gold while we dance away. Cuando bailamos. The right verb. Take two. Cuando crecemos, hay cosas que nos duelan y dan dolor. Cuando crecemos, sufrimos por la falta del amor que necesitamos recibir, y tarda tiempo en decir: tengo cicatrices que contigo puedo surcir. Cuando bailamos, olvido todo el resto alrededor, me quedo contigo. música en todo resplandor. Todo se para de existir, contigo me siento difundir. La sala se alumbra y nos ven escapar. Girasoles giran para ver la luz. Yo cuando bailo te veo, voy girando y dándote vueltas que nos quitan la soledad. Dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación, me aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para ver su luz mientras la mía está aquí. Entrelazados dibujamos movimientos bien sensuales, vamos cosiendo lugares que por años me dolieron. Suelta la pena que llevaba, te agradezco por cada vez me bailabas y nunca lo olvido. Girasoles giran para ver la luz. Yo cuando bailo te veo, voy girando y dándote vueltas que nos quitan la soledad. Dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación, me aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para ver la luz mientras la mía está aquí, mientras la mía está aquí. Girasoles giran para ver la luz. Yo cuando bailo te veo, voy girando y dándote vueltas que nos quitan la soledad. Dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación, me aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para ver su luz mientras la mía está aquí. En una noche puede todo cambiar, los amantes del pasado se pueden esfumar. Ya no me acuerdo de cómo era antes de ti, eso me hace feliz. Vi tu cara en la plaza mayor y ya sabía que quería descubrir tu sabor. Vi en tus ojos un alma tan humana y eso me hacía feliz. Aunque tú tienes que regresar, tu presencia resonará en mí. Un momento tan fugaz lleno de amor paz. Fue un viernes increíble de ti, un viernes increíble de ti. Estar contigo me hizo volar, con tu sonrisa colombiana es fácil conquistar. Derrumbaste las defensas antiguas con solo un beso joyal. Ahora sueño que me tocas de nuevo, que me abraces y yo siento el calor de tu cuerpo. Aunque te alejaste en este mundo, tú me harás muy feliz. Sigo contigo feliz. Aunque tú tienes que regresar, tu presencia resonará en mí. Un momento tan fugaz, lleno de amor y paz. Fue un viernes increíble de ti, un viernes increíble de ti. Aunque tú tienes que regresar, tu presencia resonará en mí. Un momento tan fugaz, lleno de amor y paz. Fue un viernes increíble de ti, un viernes increíble de ti. Aunque tú tienes que regresar, tu presencia resonará en mí. Un momento tan fugaz, lleno de amor y paz. Fue un viernes increíble de ti, un viernes increíble de ti. Aunque tú tienes que regresar, tu presencia resonará en mí. Un momento tan fugaz, lleno de amor y paz. Fue un viernes increíble de ti, un viernes increíble de ti, oh, un viernes increíble de ti. Y doy todas las gracias a ti. Tú eres perfecto como eres. La gente siempre te juzgará. Yo veo lo que eres. Y yo estoy aquí por ti. La suerte te ha maltratado. Nadie te ha dado ni un segundo. Y yo he sido afortunado. Quiero compartir positividad. Quédate aquí un poco más, Sebas. Déjate remiendo el dolor. Chico, abrázame un minuto más. Las cosas pueden esperar. La familia no es toda. A mí igual, menos mal. Me has encontrado y yo te quiero. Creí espera. Ya ba 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 ba. Da da ba. Da da ba ba. Ba 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 ba. Ya ba da ba. Da da ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ya ba ba. Ya ba 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 ba. Ya ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba da ba ba ba. Te amo a ti se vas. Déjate canto al mundo. Me crees ahora un poco más. Seas. Tú eres perfecto y ya está. Coge mi mano. Ven, vamos allá. Donde no te pueden encontrar, se vas. Y nunca, nunca regresarás. Thank you, boys. Thank you, everybody at home.
Almost time for our usual internet break.
Oh, it's time do we have to fake an internet break just to make sure that people give that extra layer of reality? Exactly.
Get some seconds standing still.
Oh, right, okay.
So it's like it's buffering.
No, okay. That was...
It actually happens. when you do that.
That would be very good. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I don't often do like all of my songs one after the other. That was Quand le bleu dit bonjour aux montagnes, when the sun says bonjour to the mountains. And then I played, what did I play? I played Dancing on the Waves, Girasoles, Sunflowers. I played Viernes, Friday, and Sebas. Sebas. Oh, and a little bit of a... Yeah, I got it.
Because it goes like, this is what a white line is.
Well, because I was like, yeah. Because I was like, how do I do this overgang? Transition. Without making it obvious, I was like, ooh, this is the same as the last song, so I'll just give it, ooh, ooh. So unfortunately, we started a teensy bit late, so the content's going to be a little bit shorter today. It'll probably be like 1 hour, 50 minutes. Ding.
I see that Judith Larm said, "Hi Benjamin X."
Hi, Mom. Thanks for writing.
So nice.
Oh, and Lynn mentioned about the gin as well.
Yeah.
And
Sitting in,
go on.
She was a bit late because she was sitting in the garden with her brother.
While checking your brother, your father.
Yeah, but now she's here.
She says she got the laptop working, but the phone battery's going to die soon.
Okay.
So,
Hopefully she'll be able to
yeah.
be here.
Lynn, thanks for joining. Love that
You can
you're
see it
here
later
all the
if
time.
she wants.
Exactly, yeah. The good thing is it's
Yeah, and there's a man called Tom Jones.
There's a man called Tom
Rasmus
Jones,
was
right.
so messaged
Hi, Linda.
sex
Hi,
on
Tom.
Saying I'm Linda.
I'm like,
That's a bit confusing as well.
Okay, I thought this was
Yeah.
oh, and of course, Sarah Ruston's also commented asking if we can do You Raise Me Up. Maybe we'll do that later on in the evening. Thanks for the request. This is this is so nice. Widzinho, is it time to do something Krusty the Clown related?
Krusty the Crown. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Widzinho to the stage.
You see my socks? No. Can you do some urban dancing? I wore my clown socks today for this song. It's not
It's the whatever
Yeah,
this.
but I still don't know what that is. That's nice.
The stripper.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on. Wait, we haven't.
Here we go. We're going to watch some videos.
And
Bear with.
watch video Hida doing his.
História de Lari.
Yeah, okay. I don't know why we're getting Portuguese. Apparently, there's a Portuguese series called The Stripper.
Yeah.
Or Brazilian.
Or, yeah, maybe Brazilian. O stripper. O stripper. Stripper.
If you say stripper, it's something like Jack the Ripper.
I hope we're all ready
Stripper.
for Hida's demonstration.
Enough tomfoolery. Apparently not.
Well, I really appreciated that. Thank you, Hida.
You're welcome.
What are we? Sorry, what are we doing?
Thank you for all the.
This concert is going way worse than the usual.
I mean, it's okay. We still need to get through some music.
It's different. Thank you for all the positive, encouraging comments.
Yeah, thanks for the
that,
love hearts.
that we're seeing now. Yeah. Yeah, I got enthusiastic.
No, I mean, Joao. Oh, right, I see.
And he flipped over the carpet.
Okay, so now for something slightly more serious.
Slightly more serious.
Yes.
I thought I downloaded it. Hold on.
There we go.
Yes, I did. I downloaded it. Hida was practicing his chord reading
Yeah.
before.
I'm really good at E flat. And that's lucky because this song is in E flat. Yeah.
Can you read it like that, or does it need to be bigger?
No, it's okay.
Okay. So this one is especially, well, I know this from The Simpsons, and I remember this one time it came on as a joke in The Simpsons, and me and my sister started singing it along with it. And my mum came in and she was like, oh, I like this song. For some reason, me and my sister then thought it was like one of my mum's favorite songs ever. So every time we heard this song, we were like, oh, quick, it's mum's song. And then she'd be like, I mean, I like it, but it's not like song. I was going to say this is for mum, but then I thought once again, maybe not. Oh, that was a good crack. I've been doing some yoga recently, so now my chest is... Okay, right.
No big deal.
Okay.
Just been doing some yoga recently.
I do not speak like that. Valley girl, I've been doing some yoga recently.
I guess you could say I'm sort of a yogi now. My guru always says.
Okay.
Isn't it rich? Are we a pair? Me here at last on the ground, you in midair, sending the clouds. Isn't it bliss? Don't you approve? One who keeps tearing around, one who can't move. Where just when I'd stopped opening doors, finally knowing the one that I wanted was yours, making my entrance again with my usual flair, sure of my lines, no one is there. Don't you love farce? My fault, I fear. I thought that you'd want what I want. Sorry, my dear. But where are the clowns? There ought to be clowns. Quick, send in the clowns. What a surprise! Who could foresee I'd come to feel about you what you feel about me? Why, only now when I see that you've drifted away. What a surprise! What a cliche! Isn't it rich? Isn't it queer? Losing my timing this late in my career. And where are the clowns? Quick, send in the clowns. Don't bother, they're here.
Mooi gezongen, man. Beth will love that one.
Good. Thank you for your kind comment, Beth.
Beth, if you have any requests, let us know.
Yeah.
And we'll, okay. Thank you, Udzinho.
It was a bit small, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very. That's very small.
Now, staying on that, thank you.
Thank you.
Muito obrigado. I was going to say something really... Muito obrigado.
Have you noticed his Portuguese Brazilian speech is like
Muito obrigado.
Muito obrigado. Muito obrigado.
Vamos lá. Okay, anyway, staying on the music theme, we're gonna jump straight over to the last 5 years. There are people, and they are publishing my book, and there's this party that they are throwing, and while you've made it very clear that you're not going, I will be going. And that's done. But what's it really about? Is it really about a party, Kathy? Can we please for a minute stop blaming and say what you feel? Is it just that you're disappointed to be touring again for the summer? Did you think this would all be much easier than it's turned out to be? Well then, talk to me, Kathy. Talk to me. If I didn't believe in you, we'd never have gotten this far. If I didn't believe in you and all of the 10,000 women you are, if I didn't think you could do anything you ever wanted to, if I wasn't certain that you'd come through somehow. The fact of the matter is, Kathy, I wouldn't be standing here now. If I didn't believe in you, we wouldn't be having this fight. If I didn't believe in you, I'd walk out the door and say, Kathy, you're right. But I never could let that go, knowing the things about you I know, things that I met you 4 years ago. I knew it never took much convincing to make me believe in you. Don't we get to be happy, Kathy, at some point down the line? Don't we get to relax without some new tourist to push me out further from you? If I'm cheering on your side, Kathy, why can't you support mine? Why do I have to feel I've committed some felony, doing what I always said I would do? I don't want you to hurt, I don't want you to sink, but you know what I think. I think you'll be fine. Just hold on and you'll see. But don't make me wait till you do to be happy with you. Will you listen to me? No one can give you courage, no one can thicken your skin. I will not lose, so you can be comfortable, Kathy. I will not lose because you can't win. If I didn't believe in you, then here's where the travelogue ends. If I didn't believe in you, I couldn't have stood before all of our friends and said, this is the life I choose. This is the thing I can't bear to lose, to rip us or trap us, but we refuse to fall. That's what I thought we agreed on, Kathy. If I hadn't from the last 5 years. If I didn't believe in you, the last 5 years is a fantastic modern American musical by Jason Robert Brown, and there is a fantastic singer called Vera Fuselier. Was that the right pronunciation?
Do it again.
Vera. Vera. One day I'll be able to pronounce it properly. Today will not be that day. Sorry. Oh.
Vera Fuselier.
Dat dus. Haar dus. She is a fantastic singer who I met while I was studying here. And for ages, we kept saying, oh, we should do the last 5 years together. It's a 2-person musical. And now we're actually going to do it. Now we have these concerts. I've found a pianist who wants to play. And Vera lives in Germany now. Vera.
Not V.
Vera.
Hidde and Vera.
Vera. Boom. She lives in Germany now, but she's going to come back at some point. And when she does, we're going to sing this amazing musical for you guys. Instead of one of the regular concerts, we're going to do the whole musical. So that's going to be very exciting.
What if this is posted after that?
And if this is posted after that, then I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you liked and subscribed and donated and sent your love to Vera. Vera.
Your love and your money.
I liked and subscribed 6 years ago.
Okay.
Is as a friend? Yeah, Jesus.
Yeah. No. I got that. Yeah.
That means what I meant.
Okay.
We'll do the
Boys,
other one.
would you?
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
So there's a fun one that Hidda was just singing as well, which me and Wids were going through the score. Oh no, I just closed the score. Where is it? Hold on. Bear with. The last 5 years. That's a reference. Hidda just said, I wasn't recording the whole time. Oh my god. And that's a quote from Bertie, who hopefully is also watching. He's very active in the comments very often. And he did this one video. He puts up videos quite a lot on there. Absolutely fantastic. You guys should check him out. And as soon as he's coming back to the Netherlands, he's going to be singing with us here. But this one time, he just uploaded this like 20-second video. And I was like, oh, this is exciting. And it was just him stood in front of his computer pushing a button and going, I wasn't recording the whole time. Oh my God. And that was that. And that was the whole video. And then the next day, there we put on Facebook, hold on, what was it? Like, okay, this video got 100 likes, and whenever I put anything else up, it gets 5. So all y'all better go and like my other videos. And rightfully so. Anyway, the last 5 years has some amazing music in it with
The video we had this like look of.
Oh, do you want to come do it?
Yeah, sure.
Love you, Bertie.
Yes, because in this.
Oh, het moet zij zijn, niet hij.
Great.
Sorry, Bertie.
At the beginning of the video, she had this look of. I just finished singing. Turning into. Oh, so good. I wasn't recording the whole time. Oh my god. Oh,
That moment.
amazing. I liked as well.
It's called the oh no second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When life comes crumbling down. Yeah.
So, the last 5 years, we were just going through it, and Wids was enjoying this very fun one of, well, I guess I don't need the music, but... Na 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 na, Shmo, you'll get to be happy. Oh, now I give you unlimited time. Oh, na 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 na, go Shmo, go runner. He said, Shmuel would work from 6 to 10 at his tailor shop in Klimovich. Etc. Microphone. So, boys, shall we do our first? Sorry, it is making.
Reliving this.
It's still on Bertie's video, Durva. Boys, shall we do our chant?
Yeah. Which one? I guess.
So, as y'all know, I really love Final Fantasy. Vind je het goed om deze ook te rollen? Dus we gaan vanaf hier. Maar dat kan ik doen. 3 vingers. 3 vingers in de lucht, kom op, kom op. De W van Willem. En als je ooit je weg verliest.
Ga door, ga door, ga door. Dat was mooi.
Daar sta je dan. De dag dat je wist het.
De dag die je wist dat zou komen. Nee, wacht.
Ja,
Dat is pas later.
daar sta je dan.
Je zag dit moment al zo vaak in je dromen.
Daar sta je dan.
De dag die je wist dat zou komen is eindelijk hier. Ben je er klaar voor? Kun je dat ooit echt zijn?
Daar sta je dan. Iedere mens heeft een plek in dit leven. Daar is het dan.
Ja, weet ik.
La 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 la, bi di di di. Kijk om je heen, wij lopen met je mee. Door de regen en de wind zal ik naast je blijven staan. Ik bescherm je tegen alles wat komt. En als je ooit je weg verliest, ben ik je in de storm. Ik hou je veilig zolang als ik leef. Doe jij de rap?
Ik ken de rap niet en ik wil de rap ook niet doen. Come on.
Nou, ik ook niet. 3 vingers, ja. Stampot eten, haring.
De W van wakker. Stampot eten.
3 vingers in de lucht, kom op, kom op. Springen. Oh, ik wil seks met die kale. Oh, ik wil seks met die kale. Okay, that's literally like I was with Monique. Well, Crazy Dutch Parties Carnaval, and that was my first introduction to Dutch music. Oh, and oh man, ik heb een helikopter. Ik heb een hey. Na 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 na. Kom maar helikopter mee. En jij bent de zon, jij bent de zee, jij bent de liefde, ga met me mee. Jij bent de zon, jij bent de zee, jij bent de liefde, ga met me mee. I love Final Fantasy, and this is
we're still there.
this
sorry.
is where we were left off. We're gonna do a really beautiful. I did play this once. I mean, technically, I played this last week, but now this isn't last week. So
What is time?
What
This
does
is-
it taste like?
It tastes like the color of next week Wednesday.
Oh,
Whoa.
my lord.
okay, we're not high, I promise.
Not now.
Not yet. I mean, I love Final Fantasy, and this is the ending theme from Final Fantasy X, and it has some very recognizable themes for anybody who knows anything. It has a beautiful. it doesn't have that, but it was just a. I realized that's the same tonality. So, I arranged. There's also. Thank you, Woods. There's also a theme from when you're in the churches, and it's this very beautiful. And it's really annoying because you have to do puzzles. Then you have these people singing non-stop in the background, and like 3 hours later, in this one cave I got stuck in, trying to get this ruddy demon out of its lair to be able to use him in battles and like beat all the people. And just in the background, I had this soprano going, which is beautiful, and it's fine for 10 minutes. And after that, and you're really like, oh, I cannot fix this puzzle. Not a good experience. And so then, of course, turn the sound off, but then 3 hours later, you're still... It's a game.
Was it fine? Or was it fine?
It absolutely was fine.
I see.
Yeah.
I've been there.
Fine.
That means it wasn't fine.
Final Fantasy is a really good game, and everybody should play it. It's really cool. It's really cool. It's a good game. And it has a stunning soundtrack, and I make a joke about it, that it's really orchestral, choral, it's gorgeous. So I used to play the piano music quite a lot with it. And I just had the idea of using our two boys here, our lovely Widzinho and Jorginho, to just get some nice church music in it. And I used it in it. I used
church music in it.
I used traditional Renaissance polyphony improvisation techniques. That's a lot of words. Techniques that I learned with including parallel fifths, and it's really nice. It's very geeky, but I really like it, and I think it works. So here we are. This is Hymn of the Faith. Is a medley. Okay, medley. Hymn of the Faith and the piano version of the ending theme from Final Fantasy X.
Can you just say what you've written in the title?
No. Would you want to show the people?
I'm looking at the computer just to be sure it shows there. No, it's all white. Okay.
I don't think you can say that.
So, Hymn of the Faithinho.
From Final Fantasy.
Yeah, the recurring Portuguese joke.
Fantasy.
Okay. Hope you'll enjoy. Thank you, boys. That was really nice. Whew, I hope you all enjoyed that.
Let's have a look at the comments.
Yeah, let's see what the comments.
See if they
see what
liked it.
Let me see from my phone.
Oh, it looks like they liked it. That's good.
Yeah, it does look like that, right?
Except for Beth for some reason. It's odd. I wonder why.
Whew, okay, should we do this one as well? The other one.
Yeah. Yeah, I should look forward to it.
This is a song by Tony Franklin.
Is it this one? Or the other one?
No, the other one. Just the chorus.
Can you send it?
I did. Oh, I didn't send it.
No, you didn't.
Okay, hold on. I need to put my phone on not plane mode.
On the line.
Where's my
Music.
sorry words. So Tony Franklin was the janitor at the primary school I used to go to. All those years back when I was a little baby Benjamin, and I went to
Baby Benjamin?
no.
Oh.
Oh, it's like the photo
Okay.
we took.
Hmm.
Anyway, Tony Franklin was the caretaker of the primary school I went to, Mount Charles School in St Austell in Snozzle in Cornwall, and he wrote he's a fantastic songwriter, and wrote loads of songs that I really fell in love with. And he gave me ages ago when I was still there. He gave me this huge PDF, or not a PDF, it was printed out, but this book basically of all of his songs, which was really fun. And unfortunately, I lost it because I was like 7 when he gave it to me. And I recently got in touch with, via 5 other people, I got in touch with him and I asked him if he could send some of his songs over. And this was one of the songs he sent, which was very fun. My WhatsApp isn't loading, Joao. Can I email it to you?
Oh.
Yes, of course.
Oh, no, it's working. So, this is a real, proper Cornish song. And hopefully Jarl will enjoy it.
Who's that one from the Seven Dwarfs from the... No.
Okay, sending the PDF. Joao should have it now.
The Seven Dwarfs. Hey ho, hey ho.
Yeah.
It's off to work we go, with a bucket and spade and a hand grenade. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho.
Oh my god.
Father was an iggler, nigh on 50 year. The rattle of the marketplace was music to his ear. How I longed to join him when the wagon pulled away. Don't be so impatient, dear, my mother used to say. Jogging along, jogging along, jogging along with Harry-O. Never knew a pony go half as well as Harry-O. Pots and pans, paraffin cans, tapping out a song. I can hear the higgler come a jogging along. I was just a youngster, barely 9 years old. Father called me to his side, and here's what I was told. The time has come for you to learn about the higgler's trade. I'll show you 20 ways that a bargain can be made. Oh, jogging along, jogging along, jogging along with Harry-O. Never knew a pony go half as well as Harry-O. Pots and pans, paraffin cans, tapping out the song. I can hear the higgler come a jogging along. I climbed up to the wagon, sat up on the seat. Bits and bobs of every side were lying round my feet. Over in the corner was a statue of the king, and hanging from his shoulders several kinds of fancy string. Oh, jogging along, jogging along, jogging along with Harry-O. Never knew a pony go half as well as Harry-O. Pots and pans, paraffin cans, tapping on the saw. I can hear the higgler come a jogging along. Oh, sunny was the morning, thirsty was the day. Soon we stopped the wagon at a pub along the way. Bread and cheese enough to please, and beer we had a drop. Then father sold the publican a bucket and a mop. Oh, jogging along, jogging along, jogging along with Harry-O. Never knew a pony go half as well as Harry-O. Pots and pans, paraffin cans, tapping out a song. I can hear the higgler come a jogging along. First we went to Helston, then we went to Hale, and then we went to Camborne, but we never made a sale. Turning homeward once again, we came to Truro town. In less than 30 minutes, boy, we made a couple of pound. Oh, jogging along, jogging along, jogging along with Harry-O. Never knew a pony go half as well as Harry-O. Pots and pans, paraffin cans, tapping out a song. I can hear the higgler come a jogging along. Harry brought us home. We rubbed him down and fed him up and left him on his own. Mother warmed the cocoa and put bacon in the pan. But I was dreaming of the day I'd be a higgler man. Jogging along, jogging along, jogging along with Harry-O. Never knew a pony go half as well as Harry-O. Pots and pans, paraffin cans, tapping out the song. I can hear the higgler come a jogging along. Oh, jogging along with Harry-O. Never knew a pony go half as well as Harry-O. Pots and pans, paraffin cans, tapping out the song. I can hear the higgler come a jogging along. Oh, jogging along with Harry-O. Never knew a pony go half as well as Harry-O. Pots and pans, paraffin cans, tapping out the song. I can hear the higgler come a jogging along. Woo. That's it. I love that song. That was
Leave a comment if you know what a paraffin is.
a paraffin can.
Paraffin can.
Do you know what it is?
And
I will in a week and a half, maybe. At this
and,
moment.
and leave a comment if you know what a higgler is.
Ah, yes.
I know
Also.
what paraffin is.
Oh, because
Okay, well then you can leave a comment.
Okay.
Don't tell me. I almost know what
Okay,
you're saying.
I'll just go there and write like on the first 5 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, now I see that Joao already told us an hour ago. Oh, thank you, Joao.
Okay, we have half an hour left, and I've lost all my song list of what I was going to do. Boys, do we have any songs that we should do together?
Check
Still
the
have that
requests
American
on the
one.
comments.
Check the. What did you say?
We still have that American one. but
That's
we can do it.
to finish off the evening.
Okay, then.
What the one?
Should we do our one?
Yeah.
That would be nice. Ciao, Wizinho. Joao,
Man,
you
that
sent me the
face.
thing, right? Dude, that's his normal face. You can't say that. Wooed.
By the way, when will this be broadcasted?
Whenever I'm sick.
Okay.
So it might be broadcasted really in like 6 months from now.
Yeah.
It's just haven't. No, next week.
No. Yeah. Oh yeah. Next
Can-
week will be in Cornwall. So.
Well, not next week, but for us three. Volgende week gaan wij, als het goed is, live vanuit mijn ouders
Oh.
plek doen. En ook jij mag meezingen, omdat jij ook er bent, natuurlijk, op de vrijdag.
Fijn, dank je.
Alsjeblieft. En de week daarop is de postcard, wat ik ook had verteld van heel veel mensen.
Ja.
Ja, en de week daarop, Portugal. De week daarop, dan zijn we gewoon weer terug. Dus dit is gewoon echt als een soort van...
So all of this just to say that you will probably hear this, have heard this before.
Yeah, you probably would have heard all of these songs before, because I'm going to do them as well. So, that's nice.
Encosta-te a mim. Nós já vivemos 100.000 anos. Encosta-te a mim. Talvez eu esteja a exagerar. Encosta-te a mim. Dá cabo dos teus desenganos. Não queiras ver quem eu não sou. Deixa-me chegar. Chegado da guerra. Fiz tudo para sobreviver em nome da terra. No fundo, para te merecer, recebe-me bem. Não desencantes os meus passos, faz de mim o teu herói. Não quero adormecer. Tudo o que eu vi, estou a partilhar contigo. Que eu não vivi, hei de inventar contigo. Sei que não sei, às vezes entender o teu olhar, mas quero-te bem. Encosta-te a mim. Encosta-te a mim. Desatinamos tantas vezes, vizinha de mim. Deixa ser meu o teu quintal. Recebe esta pomba que não está armadilhada. Foi comprada, foi roubada, seja como for. Eu venho do nada. Porque arrasei o que não quis, em nome da estrada, onde só quero ser feliz. Enrosca-te a mim, vai desarmar a flor queimada, vai beijar o homem-bomba, quero adormecer. Tudo o que eu vi, estou a partilhar contigo. Que não vivi, um dia hei de inventar contigo. Sei que não sei, às vezes entender o teu olhar, mas quero-te bem. Encosta-te a mim. Encosta-te a mim.
Oh, that's so cool. That's really nice. Can we do it again? Yeah. That was so fun. Donald Kevin. Hold on, wait. Let's try and do this.
Okay.
just the first verse together?
Encosta-te a mim. Nós já vivemos 100.000 anos. Encosta-te a mim. Talvez eu esteja a exagerar. Encosta-te a mim. Dá cabo dos teus desenganos. Não queiras ver quem eu não sou. Deixa-me chegar. Chegado da guerra, fiz tudo para sobreviver. Em nome da terra, no fundo para te merecer. Recebe-me bem.
Yeah, this isn't.
Não desencantes os meus passos. Faz de mim o teu herói. Não quero adormecer.
Okay, this should work.
Tudo que eu vi, estou a partilhar contigo. Que não vivi, hei de inventar contigo. Sei que não sei, às vezes entender o teu olhar, mas quero-te bem. Encosta-te a mim. Encosta-te a mim.
Não vou viver como alguém que só espera um novo amor pra rua me levar a outras coisas, o caminho onde eu vou. Às vezes ando só trocando passos como a solidão, momentos que são meus, que não abro mão. Já sei olhar o rio onde a vida passa. Se me precipitar, nem perder a hora, escuto no silêncio que em mim basta. Outro tempo começou pra mim agora. Vou deixar a rua me levar, ver a cidade se acender. A lua vai banhar esse lugar. Eu vou lembrar você. Mas tenho ainda muita coisa pra arrumar. Promessa que me fiz, que ainda não cumpri. I didn't learn this verse. Palavras me aguardam o tempo exato pra falar. Coisas minhas, talvez não vou cumprir. You know this part?
Já sei olhar o rio por onde a vida passa. Sem me preocupar nem perder a hora. Escuto no silêncio que há em mim basta. Outro tempo começou pra mim agora. Vou deixar a rua me levar, ver a cidade se acender. A lua vai banhar esse lugar que eu vou lembrar você. Vou deixar a rua me levar, ver a cidade se acender. alguém que só espera novo amor.
Há outras coisas no caminho onde eu vou.
Às vezes ando só trocando passos com a solidão.
Momentos que são meus.
E que não abra a mão.
Já sei olhar o rio onde a vida passa.
Sem me precipitar nem perder a hora.
Escuta no silêncio que a mim basta.
Outro tempo começou.
Pra mim agora vou deixar a rua me levar,
Ver a cidade se acender. A lua vai banhar esse lugar. E eu vou lembrar você.
Well, you have to take some risks.
This was fun for sure.
This was very fun. Oh, we only have 10 minutes. What else do we have on the... Because we really... Yeah. Okay.
Nice. You should sing in Portuguese more often.
Yeah. Your voice...
Sorry for my Brazilian accent.
Were you singing in a Brazilian accent?
Trying.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
So we have three... Maybe... Yeah. 3 last songs for this evening. Can Johnna come and show the... Johnna come and show the people?
Here. Oh my lord.
There's a special magazine for a special Persian, Persian, which Hidda will now show.
You know who you are. Oh.
Fantastic. Alla terra umida skrik, sabstrestik poich partu, passo os dias, asparant la nit. Comat pucas timar, cande mi estas tan lluny, servilia capat, poich partu. Semol perché destaquest pa, jo no puc arribar on tu. Però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum. Me la Servilia capat, poich parto. Can noi siguis al matí, las llàgrimes s'espandran entre la pluja que caurà avui. Em quedaré atrapat, ebri d'aquesta llum, servilia capat, poich parto. acabar, pois parto. Semol pequeles da que spar, no puc arribar a sto, però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum a la paret. Servigli acabat, servigli acabat, servigli acabat. Pois parto. Boig Partout, Catalan song by Sao and Shakira. Joao, which songs did we sing before? We sung Pra Rua Me Levar by Ana Carolina and Encosta de Mim, Jorge Palma. So we're coming to the very end of this concert. Thank you everybody for you joining me. Are you joining me, boys, for our final medley? Are you joining me, joys? Sounds incredibly wrong. Thank you everybody for joining. It's been lovely being able to play for you. It's been a bit of a crazy week, but next week we'll be back to normal. Whenever that is. It feels really weird saying that now.
When's next week?
Yeah, when is next week?
What even is?
What is time?
What even is
Yeah. What is? Anyway, boys, let's be rapido because we cannot go past 10. We're recording this on what day is it today? Monday.
Friday.
If you know what I mean.
No, it's Monday actually.
Thanks for that, Wids.
I mean, in our time,
In our timeline.
yeah, in this current timeline and zone, it's a Monday.
It's a Monday, so it's very weird. Thank you all for joining. It's been a bit different, but next week we'll be back to normal. Remember to like and subscribe. Tell everybody to join us next week. Thank you anybody who's done a donation this week. It's greatly, I mean, this is if we're still doing donations. We might be doing Patreon by then. I have no idea. Thank you
Anyway.
everybody for joining. Have a lovely week. Stay safe. And this is our American ending song from Brokeback Mountain, which y'all have to go and watch if you've never seen it before. I Don't Want to Say Goodbye. And the very beautiful traditional American song of Home on the Range. I literally did the arrangement of this very quickly. Like, this is one of the reasons we started late. So the boys are doing well at sight reading today. I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. after the darkness has gone, the shadow of my love is falling on a place where the sun always shone. Yet don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where never is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where never is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy. Altogether our two hearts are strong. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? 'Cause I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you.
What a nice song, yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely.
It was quite nice because Benjamin's screen went on
Night mode.
night mode right after
with
the
a
first
K.
verse. Yeah, Knigget mode. Right after the first verse, I was like, the sun was setting on the screen. It was very nice. I mean,
Yeah,
that's what it was felt.
well, that's nice.
Yeah. What it was feeling like to me.
Bruv. In it.
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you all for watching. You've been a great audience. We've been a slightly less than great host, or maybe better than normal. I don't know. You guys let us know in the comments.
I give it a 5 out of
Give it
7.
Remember, same as normal, guys, leave a comment in the video underneath. That helps us really out, not just in the chat. Like, subscribe, donate button is underneath. I don't know how much equipment we'll have by then, but
Not enough.
not enough.
Right, yeah.
Exactly.
Always room for more.
Exactly. We can always be upgrading mics and stuff. Thank you all for being here. I hope you have a lovely week, a lovely weekend, because it will be Friday by the time you all are watching this. Let us know if there's anything you want us to sing next week. And otherwise, have a great week.
Stay safe.
Ciao, guys.
Fade out. Oh, okay. Oh, it's
know.
Oh,
It's still going on.
It's still going.
act normal.
I thought this
It's
was the
still
end of
going
the.
now.
I
Should
thought
I-
this was
should
the
I
end of
stop
the
now?
advert, Morty.
Oh,
What?
but should we stop now?
Are we gonna start selling doors that don't go anywhere?
Yeah.
God.